Kumshi benta ban rakhi ka jingdap san paus nem jong ka jilla Meghalaya but ka jingdap nyaw pusan nem jong ka jingla lut kari India ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society Block Mission Management Unit Bhoi Rimbong in collaboration with the Bhoi Rimbong Centre Adi Block Ribhoi District Mentakasngi ka shibhau tarik unopra arjar arpoi ka lapelong ya ka one day SHG Mela Kam Health Camp Hamadan Kurkalang Bhoi Rimbong. Uba Hamlet Darling, Ubadeiru Menteri Badai Pet Jongka Community and Rural Development Government of India, Ulalong Ukongsan Hakani Kajing Rakhe, but Hakani Kajing Rakhe, Ladon Langru, Uba Dasakiat, Lamare, Ubadeiru Menteri Badai Pet Yakatana Transport, but Uba George Building Do, Kumsumbot Kongsan, Ubadei UMLA Ka Umroi Constituency, Uba RK Kharbuki, UMDC Jongka Umroi Constituency, Shrim SC Sadhu IAS, Director CNTRD, Kakong RM Kurba IAS, Kabadeiru Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District, but Kiwe ki officer. Hakani ka program laidon bentar ki babon ki dukot ke SHG nekishnong beper da ka babu ikitukan ki jongki ban pen ipat ba ki tiar ki jongki. Hakajuk kesngi ladon bentaru ki bank ber ki Aadhaar enrollment ber ka vaccination drive.
So amazing how this world was made. I wonder if God is a woman. The gift of life astounds me to this day. I give it up for the woman. She's the constant wind that fills my sail. Oh, that woman. With a smile and a style, she'll protect you like a child. That's a woman. She'll put a smile upon your face and take you to.
Here we have, ladies and gentlemen, the showstopper, our very own Block Development Officer, Dr. CJK Warjwi, along with the designer, Kong Yaisha Mumbai. Our showstopper, ladies and gentlemen. Bisa kejuti ke baik pang ke dia ke jangan India. Kubeli sibun sa. Kubeli sibun Kong Yaisha. Kesian ke bening kong bengin yoi ke juti jong ki sinrang ban su daga jangan India. Digani kelong ke jikai ke benta jongi ki samla ki bak kambie keriam ke bet bengele langkum balik isa. Kubeli sibun, ikinong simbenta baro.